Allah the Exalted is Al-Qabid al-Basit, which means the one who contracts and expands. It can mean that Allah, the Exalted, is the only one who contracts the life and provision of someone through tests and trials. And He is the only one who can expand these things through divine blessings and relief from difficulties. In each case, Allah, the Exalted, provides His servants with what is best for them. For example, the faith of some will only remain strong if their lives are contracted, for if they reached a time of expansion, they would step out of bounds, which would lead them to hell. Conversely, the faith of some will only remain strong if they experience expansion in life, as difficulties can cause their faith to be shaken, which causes impatience and can lead them to hell. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Allah, the Exalted, contracts the life of the one who fails to sincerely obey Him, and expands the life of the one who obeys Him, even if they face difficulties. This obedience involves using the blessings they have been granted, in ways pleasing to Him. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
And chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed life.
The Muslim who understands this divine name will be grateful for whatever situation they are experiencing, knowing it is best for them, and in each case they will adhere to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. During times of contraction they will remain patient, and in times of expansion they will remain grateful. According to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7500, the one who behaves in this manner will always obtain blessings in all situations. In addition, they will seek expansion through his sincere obedience, as they will understand that having worldly possessions does not lead to peace. Only in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, will they obtain this. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah hearts are assured.
One should act on this divine name by contracting away from all the things which displease Allah, the Exalted, and expand their efforts towards the things which please Allah, the Exalted. They should contract their own lives by minimizing indulging in the excess of this material world, and expand the lives of others by striving to benefit them according to their means. An aspect of this is expanding others by reminding them of the infinite mercy of Allah, the Exalted, while balancing this by contracting them through reminding them of the punishment of Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.